What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and today we'll be talking about everything we know of the Pixel 4. Let's get started. One of the most surprising thing with this year's Pixel is that it will be coming with dual camera setup. So one will be the regular wide and the other will be 16 megapixel telephoto lens, and that is actually good and has me excited because telephoto is something that I use on regular basis, and finally having it on a Pixel phone makes it even a better deal. And we can only imagine how good the Pixel 4's camera will be. Now in terms of design, the big notch from the last year will be gone from the Pixel 4 XL, but the design of the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL will not be symmetric, and that might be a deal breaker for some, as it is for me, because you'll get a big chunk of bezel on the top for all the sensors used for Face ID, and on the bottom there will only be a speaker. So that, makes me just think, why isn't Google focusing on the design, the hardware of their device, when they focus so much on the software? But we never know if the leaks are wrong, and this year finally the leaks might be proven wrong, but I don't think this is the year yet. The display quality will be same for both the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL as the last year, but what's different is that it will be coming with 90 Hz refresh rate, and that is just amazing. This year also the Pixel will be coming with an outdated processor, Snapdragon 855, and 6 GB RAM on both of the models, which is not bad. But if you are buying a premium phone, then you kind of deserve the latest smartphone chip. In terms of the battery size, there are rumors that the Pixel 4 will be coming with slightly smaller battery than the last year's Pixel 3, whereas the Pixel 4 will be coming with a larger battery, larger than Pixel 3 XL. I don't know how that will affect the battery life, because nowadays it's not all about the battery size, it's also about the software, and I think Google will be integrating the software well, like every year in this year's Pixel. So farewell fingerprint sensor even on the Pixel 4, as this year the Pixel 4s will be coming with the same setup as Face ID, and it will also be supporting gestures, so that's nice, but that is a little bit on the gimmicky side, and we'll see what it does. And the camera, unlike the last year on the Pixel 3, there will only be one front facing camera that will act as both the wide angle and the normal lens, just like the iPhone 11 Pro. So we'll see how that competes with the last year's ultra wide lens. Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that like button if you liked the video, and definitely hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss out on another video, and stay tuned for more.